Hai Hasan, Assalamualaikum.
Hai, Miss. Waalaikumsalam.
Hmm, I didn't turn on the ding dong the sound, so I didn't realize that you are already here. Okay, so Hasan, what do you think? Let's make a comparison between. Oh, you've lived in Indonesia and you've lived in the Netherlands. So, have you ever tried riding a bus in the Netherlands?
Yes.
So, let's compare those two. What do you think? Hi, Alvin. Welcome to the class.
Hi, Miss.
Mm-hmm. Alvin, how do you go to school again? By motorbike?
Yes.
Hmm. Have you ever tried uh, public transportation in Surabaya? Bus, train, probably taxi.
Mm, previously.
Pardon? Sorry?
Previously.
Bus. Sorry, Alvin. It's not clear. Can you repeat, please?
Uh, Formerly. Dulu.
Formerly.
Waktu dulu.
So what did you try? A bus, a taxi, or a train?
Bimo.
Huh?
Bimo. Bimo.
Bemo. It's what is Bemo? How should we call Bemo in English? Mm, public car then. So let's compare riding a public car with riding a motorcycle, Alvin. Hi, Bintang. Welcome to the class.
Hi, Miss. I'm sorry I'm late.
Mm-mm. So, Bintang, the same question with Alvin and Ahsan. Have you ever tried public transportation in Surabaya?
Yes.
What was it?
Uh, angkot.
Bemo. Okay, angkot. It's a public car. Now, what do you think about it? Let's compare that, the public car, with a private car, your own car, your parents' car. And we're going to try to use comparative adjective. Oh, in my sentence on WhatsApp, which one is the comparative adjective? So my sentence was riding a bus in Surabaya is probably safer than in Jakarta.
Safer than.
Safer than. Well done. Okay, so how about you, your sentences? You can compare it with public transportation in other cities, or you can compare it with private transportation. Okay, who wants to? Ayo, ya Allah. I close it down. Hang on a second. Okay, who wants to try then? guys? Anyone? Let's start from Asan. Asan, go ahead. Please say your sentence.
Riding a train in Netherlands is better than in Indonesia.
I have to agree though. Riding a train in the Netherlands is way better than, right, not way better than in Indonesia. Thank you, Asan. You have better than, safer than. Okay. Alvin, how about you? Your sentence?
Riding a Wirawiri in Surabaya is probably cheaper than bus in Jakarta.
Alvin, one more time. This time, try to speak clearer. Go ahead. Riding?
Riding a Wirawiri in Surabaya is probably cheaper than bus in Jakarta.
Is it Wirawiri or Warawiri? Wait. I forget. Okay, Wirawiri. Got it. Riding Wirawiri in Surabaya is probably cheaper than riding a bus in Jakarta. Agree. Hmm. Okay, thank you, Alvin. That's a nice sentence. Bintang, go ahead. Wirawiri, Warawiri. Which one is correct? Wirawiri, Warawiri? Wirawiri.
Riding an airplane is better than riding a train.
Riding an airplane is better than riding a train. Got it. Now, this is the deal. When we're talking about adjectives with one word or two words, they are usually using er, right? For example, safe, one syllable, safe into safer, and then good into better. How about three syllables? What can you do with that? Comfortable, important. How can you make it into comparative?
Use more.
More than. Got it. Now let's try and use more than in the sentence. Okay. You've done better than, safer than, cheaper than, Now let's try and use more than. I'm going to use the same thing. Riding a bus in Surabaya is more comfortable than in Jakarta because there aren't that many people who ride a bus in Surabaya. So, your turn. Who wants to start now? Alvin, Bintang, or Asan wants to start again? I don't know. You can use more comfortable, more dangerous, more, what else? What do you have in your flip material anyway? More convenient. There you go. You have more convenient. Okay, guys, let's go. Who wants to start? Eeny, meeny, miny, moe, catch tiger, rabbit. Alvin, go ahead. Oh, oh, ya Allah, I forgot. Mm. Eh, not today. Alvin, go ahead.
Writing Wira-wiri in Surabaya more softer than 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 bus in Jakarta.
Hmm. More safer. Did you say that?
More softer,
More?
more safer.
We cannot use more and together. When you use safer, it's complete already. We cannot add more safer. Remember, the adjectives must have at least 2 or 3 syllables. 2 atau 3 suku kata baru bisa pakai more. For example, more convenient, more comfortable, more dangerous, more what else? More polluted. There you go. Okay, so I'll come back to you again, Alvin. This time, try to use more instead of er. Bintang?
Riding a train is more convenient than riding an airplane.
Huh? Why? This is my question, Bintang. Why? Because for me, riding an airplane is more convenient than riding a train. But why? If you can give me a good reason, I'll take it. Some people like riding trains more than riding airplanes, but why? Why do you like riding trains more, Bintang? It's okay. Go ahead. More convenient, lebih nyaman. Bintang, why? It takes Bintang so long to say his reason.
I mean, airplane is more convenient.
No, no way. Seriously, do you think airplane or train is more convenient?
Airplane.
Airplane. Okay, one more time. Riding airplanes.
Riding an airplane is more convenient than riding a train.
Got it. Riding an airplane is more convenient than riding a train. Thank you, Bintang. Elson?
Riding a train in Netherlands is more comfortable than in Indonesia.
Okay. I'll take that. Okay. Alvin, your turn.
Writing Wirawiri in Surabaya more cheap than writing bus in Jakarta.
Mm. Again, Alvin. Cheap is more cheap or cheaper?
More cheap.
No way. Take a look at number 3. It says cheaper. You cannot use more with cheap. Cheap is only one syllable. Cheap itu cuma satu suku kata. Jadi pasti pakainya er. Cheaper. Cheaper. Okay? You cannot use more cheaper. Yang bisa pakai more itu yang 3 suku kata. Comfortable. Convenient. Dangerous. What else? Polluted. Delicious. So, Alvin, you can use more convenient than lebih nyaman atau more comfortable, the same, lebih nyaman juga. More dangerous, lebih berbahaya. More polluted, lebih membuat polusi. What else can we use with more anyway? Let's find out. Adjectives with more. Using more. There you go. More efficient. Ah, you can also use more efficient. More relaxing. There, you get more relaxing. More unforgettable. Oh, Bintang, for me, riding a train is more unforgettable than riding an airplane because I can see the view outside. More unforgettable. Alvin, back to you.
Writing Wirawiri in Surabaya more efficient than writing bus in Jakarta.
Got it. Don't forget the is, Alvin. Riding Wirawiri in Surabaya is more efficient. One more time.
Writing Wirawiri in Surabaya is more efficient than writing bus in Jakarta.
Than riding a bus in Jakarta. Got it. So that's for the comparative adjective. Now we're going to try with the superlative adjective. Means we're going to use either the most or the est. Okay. The same thing. When it's only one syllable, jika hanya satu suku kata, berarti kita pakainya the est. For example, this one. Cheaper. Then we use the cheapest. But if it's 3 syllables, jika 3 suku kata, kita pakainya the most. The most convenient. Okay? Now let's try. Riding a what was my sentence again? Riding a bus in Surabaya is not the best. I'm sorry to say this, but it's true. Riding a bus in Surabaya is not the best choice. I use the best. You can use anything else. Okay, this time we'll start from Bintang. Riding a bus in Surabaya is not the best choice for travelers. You can use the cheapest, the worst, the fastest, the most comfortable, the safest. See. Go ahead, Bintang.
Riding a bicycle is cheapest way to go to school.
I agree. Riding a bicycle is the cheapest way to go to school. Nice one. I like it that you actually ride your bike to school. What do you do? Okay. Asan?
Riding a motorcycle is the fastest way to go to school.
This is not fair. One is talking about the cheapest and Asan is talking about the fastest. It's still true. Thank you, Asan. And Alvin will say, riding Wirawiri is the most convenient to go to school. Alvin, your turn.
Riding a Gojek is the fastest than the bus.
Wait. When you say the fastest, you don't compare. Kalau kita pakai the fastest, berarti nggak dibandingkan dengan yang lain. Langsung aja. Riding Gojek is the fastest.
Riding a Gojek is the fastest to go to school.
There you go. Riding a Gojek is the fastest way to go to school, according to Alvin. Riding a Gojek is the fastest way to go to school. There you go. Remember when we use the ust or the most superlative, we don't compare it with another thing, but to the whole thing. Jadi nggak usah dibilangin lebih paling cepat dari. Kan kita juga nggak bilang gitu kalau dalam bahasa Indonesia. Paling cepat dari. We don't say that. Okay. So now let's check the vocabulary. Everyone, please follow me. Traffic jam, convenient, public transportation. Guys, please follow me. Traffic jam, convenient, public transportation.
Traffic jam, convenient
And
public
convenient public transportation.
Crowded, motorbike taxi, fare.
crowded
Motorbike taxi
fare.
fare.
What does it mean by fare?
Tarif.
Tariff is fare. Got it, Bintang. Okay, the next one. MRT, ride on a bus, passenger.
MRT,
MRT,
ride on the bus, passenger.
MRT, ride on bus, passenger.
Get off the bus, on foot, sight.
Get out the
Get off
bus.
the
Get
bus,
off the bus on foot side.
Got it. You also have the speaking part. Now take a where's my wait. This one? Yeah. So if you take a look at your student book, in this last unit, you're going to understand a conversation about public transportation and talk about it. Okay? Oh, by the way, what public transportation is this?
MRT.
MRT, although the name is flipped. Okay, TRM. Okay, now let's take a look at the conversation first before we go any further. Okay, so I need 2 people to do this. What's your full name?
Endang Resati Amiruddin.
Okay, Bintang, who do you want to read this part?
Ahsan and Alvin.
Asan. Hiya, hiya, hiya. Asan and Alvin, ready? One will be Tom, one will be Fanny. Who's going to be Fanny? Fanny, not Fanny. Who's going to be Fanny? Who's going to be Tom?
Ahsan Pani.
Asan Fanny, okay. Bintang, please read the situation.
Fanny wants to go to Ancol and she is asking Tom for the best public transportation to take.
If the screen is, if the conversation on the screen is too small, you can take a look at your student book. Ready? Asan, Alvin, go ahead.
Hi Tom, I need to go to Ancol this weekend for a reunion. How do I get there?
Hi, Fanny. You can take a bus, a motorbike taxi, or a taxi.
What's the best public transportation from my house?
The taxi, of course. Going there by taxi is the most convenient and the safest.
Yeah, but it is also the most expensive. What about the bus and the motorbike taxi? Which one is better?
Taking the bus is cheaper than taking the motorbike taxi, but the motorbike taxi is faster than the bus.
Yeah, that's right. Is riding the bus more comfortable than riding the motorbike taxi?
The bus can be more comfortable. It is usually air conditioned.
But then the ride will take longer.
I couldn't agree more. Besides, you get off in front of the gate and you'll have to walk to the side of your reunion.
Okay, I'll take the motorbike taxi then. It's not the cheapest, but it's the fastest and the most convenient for me.
More decision. Funny. Enjoy your reunion. Enjoy your reunion.
Okay, thank you, Asan and Alvin. Some things. Ding, 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 dong, ding, dong. By the way, guys, can you see my screen? I'm having difficulties. What do you see on my screen? The conversation or what?
Conversation.
Oh, the conversation. Oh, so it is the right screen. Okay. Um, this one. How do we say this again?
Taxi.
Taxi. Got it. So it's taxi, axi. Okay. Alvin, Bintang, taxi.
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 Got it. It is correct to say this comfortable, but it's always better to say it like, Asan, can you please repeat it one more time?
Comfortable.
There you go. It's always better to say it like that. Comfortable. Comfortable. Let's check. Bintang?
Comfortable.
Nice. Alvin?
Comfortable.
Comfortable. There you go. So you can just delete the or. Comfortable. And then this one. Wait. I forgot. Where is it? I can't. Besides, you get off on the train, you have to. Oh, this one. Sorry. How do we say this one?
Longer.
So sorry.
Longer.
There you go. Make it into double G like bintang. One more time. Bintang.
Longer.
Longer. Got it. Alvin?
Longer.
Longer. Got it. Asan?
Longer.
Longer. Got it. So double G for this one. The same with big. How do you say big? Comparative. Long is longer. How about big?
Bigger.
Bigger. Don't forget, it's double G, so don't say bigger. Big. It's bigger than. Ayo, bigger. 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 Make it into double G. Okay? Bintang, bigger.
Bigger.
Bigger. Alvin,
Bigger.
bigger. Okay. Got it. So we have these two. Ding, 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 ding. Now, if you take a look at this conversation, please underline the comparative adjectives. Okay, you can underline them on my screen. That's one. Thank you, Asan. Thank you, Bintang. More comfortable then. Two. What else? Got it. Asan got two. There are still one, two, three. Um, got it. Two more. Alvin, Bintang. There are still two more comparative adjectives in this conversation. What is the comparative adjective of good? If you don't,
Better than.
pardon, Bintang?
Better than.
Better than. So find me better. It's still there. So good is not gooder, okay? Good is better, and better is still there. Nobody saw it. Ah, no. Oh, no, you. Yeah. Bintang finally saw it. Okay. What is the comparative adjective of long? There you
Longer.
go. Longer. Bintang answered the question. Asan underlined the word. Longer. Got it. Now, please circle all the superlative adjectives. Circle. That's one from Bintang. Two from Bintang, one from Asan. Okay. Bintang got it. Three. Bintang is fast. Four. Nice. Okay. Mm-hmm. There's one more, by the way. You missed it. What is the comparative adjective of good? Comparative adjective. What is the superlative of good? So you have good. There you yo. Yo, why is the circle like that, Asa? Hang on. You need to fix it. Why is it? There you go. So instead of saying goodest, we say the best. Okay. Now you've got all the comparative and the superlative adjective. Um, guys, hang on. There's a chart here. I'll give you 2 minutes to write down the comparative and superlative adjectives in the right column. Go ahead. Please write them in your student book. The comparative adjective is cheaper, faster, more comfortable, longer. Okay? Please write them in your student book. Yo, Bintang hasn't got his book. Yikes. Okay. Go ahead, Bintang. Please write down comparative adjectives and superlative adjectives from the conversation. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, there are 2 most convenient, so we don't use 2, only 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 superlative adjectives. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 comparative adjectives. Done? When you're done, please inform the class. I'm done. When you're done, please say I'm done so we can continue.
And then,
Okay.
Done. I'm done.
Okay. Oh, Alvin is gone from the screen. Oh, there he is. Okay. Alvin, how about you? Have you done it?
Done.
Done. Okay. So I'm going to delete the drawings. Now, if you take a look at this, we are having 5 expressions that we are going to use in our conversation. What is intention again? What does it mean by intention? You can Google what is intention.
Maksud.
Maksud. So expressing intention. What do you want to do? For example, this is Bintang. Bintang starts the conversation. Hey, Alvin and Asan, I want to go to a a music concert in DBL Arena. Okay, so that's expressing intention. Okay, asking for advice and giving advice. We already talked about it the last unit. How do I blah blah blah? What's the best? Which one is better? Okay, agreeing. We also have talked about it in the previous unit. This is refreshment. The next one is expressing good wishes. What does it mean by good wishes? Good wishes? Guys, what does it mean by good wishes?
Harapan baik.
Harapan baik. For example, in your book, it says, have a blast, have a great time. What else can we do besides, what else can we say besides have a blast, have a great time? How do we say hati-hati di jalan in English?
Have fun.
Have?
Have fun.
Oh, have have fun is good wishes, but it's not hati-hati di jalan. How do we have fun is here, expressing good wishes. Thank you for the addition, Asan. So how do you say hati-hati di jalan? And don't tell me titi DJ, miss. That's not the English word. So have a blast, have a great time, have fun. You must be working your brain out to translate hati-hati di jalan. Apaan ya terjemahannya ya hati-hati di jalan? Okay. Usually English would say have a safe trip. Okay, so instead of be careful on your way, you be careful. Have a safe trip. Okay, hati-hati di jalan is have a safe trip. That's a good wish for Titi DJ. Have a safe trip. Now, you are going to create a three-way conversation using this one. All 5 expressions must be used. And then you also need to use at least 2 words from the vocabulary, 1 comparative adjective, and 1 superlative adjective in your conversation. So let's repeat again. What are you going to make, the 3 of you?
Conversation.
A conversation. How many words from the vocabulary that you need to use? How many words?
Two.
2 words from the vocabulary, at least 2 words. If you want to use 5, go ahead, no problem. How many expressions that you need to use?
2.
No way. Expressions.
5.
5. This, all this. Intention, asking for advice, giving advice, agreeing, and expressing good wishes. Got it. And how many comparative adjectives that you have to use?
At least 1.
At least 1. Very good, Bintang. How many superlative adjective? Comparative adjective?
At least 1 too.
At least 1 too. Hey, thank you, Bintang. Okay, so comparative adjective, superlative adjective, 5 expressions, 2 words from the vocabulary, and a conversation about public transportation. Okay, so you can use wirawiri, right, Alvin? Wirawiri, yeah, wirawiri.
Yes.
Wirawiri, or what's the name of our bus? Surabaya bus. Eh, the red bus. Is it Surabaya bus? Suro. Yeah, it's true. Surabaya bus. There you go. Up to you. Now, the deal is the last time I asked you to record your conversation. No. The last time I asked you to record your conversation, Ahsan sent a link to the Zoom, not a link to the recording. So I was like, what is Ahsan sending? And then Bintang actually sent a recording, but a recording from a phone. So guys, this time we're going to learn how to save your conversation on Zoom. Okay. So everyone, when you take a look at your Zoom at the bottom, okay, can you see start recording? It's a circle. Can you see it? Try and click it. Do you see? Okay, Bintang is requesting to record. Got it. Uh, Bintang knows the button. Alvin, Asan, you haven't tried to click the button. I will get the notification if you click the button. Start record. Okay, Alvin got the start recording button. Asan still hasn't found it. Ding dong. At the bottom. So Bintang and Alvin know where to find it. Asan, let's go. Click record. It doesn't work, Asan?
Where is it, miss?
It's Bintang, where is it? Please tell Asan.
Next to the reaction button.
Do you see the reaction button, Asan? At the bottom of your screen? Next to it, there's a circle. Try click it. Bintang's got the reaction button. I'm going to. Jing jing. Asa still hasn't found it. Okay, but at least Alvin and Bintang know where the record button is. Now the deal is when you record your conversation, the file is usually uh in a folder that you don't know where to find. Now that's the problem. How to find the file? This is what we're going to do. So everyone, please click the, I forgot. Oh, I know. Please click your Zoom home, uh, what do you call this? Yeah, Zoom home. Okay, this one. Please go to your Zoom home, everybody. Okay. Now, when you go to your Zoom home, you can find the settings button here. Okay. When you find the settings button, click it. Okay. After you click the settings button, you will find options. Try clicking recording. Done. And you can find where your file is stored in the bar. Please click store my recording at. Copy paste it and copy paste it to the chat box, please. So my file is stored in this part. How about you? Which folder do you keep your Zoom recording? Kebanyakan ngerekam, tahu caranya ngerekam, tapi nggak tahu ditaruhnya di mana. Jadi begitu rekaman selesai pada bingung, loh rekamannya di mana? So, okay, did you find the Zoom recording? Click the setting so you can see the Zoom recording. Copy paste the folder name in the chat box. Bintang got it. There you go. So Bintang, when you want to try to find the Zoom recording, go to that folder, okay? Karena tempatnya beda-beda tiap laptop, tiap komputer. I use the default the D drive. Bintang is using the C drive. Alvin, Hasan, did you find it?
No.
This part. Take a look at the picture I sent in the chat box. When you click settings, you will find these options. Click recording. And then there's a bar there that you can copy paste. Okay. Also, Bintang, when you record later, don't record it to the cloud, record it locally. Itu opsinya ada di recording, masih di bagian recording itu tadi. Ada tulisannya locally. Okay. Choose a location for recorded files when the meeting ends. Tuh bisa diklik juga. Alvin, Asa. Iya, Asa. They cannot find it. Like, oh, tell me something. Bintang, do you still have a test tomorrow? Or have you finished all your tests?
Finish.
Finish. Alvin, you have finished all your tests, right?
What, Miss?
Have you finished all your tests at school?
Finish.
Finish. Oke. Jadi nggak ada masalah dong kalau hari ini agak lama sedikit nanti ngerekamnya. Oke, so you have until, but I still have the due time for you. Boleh agak lama, tapi maksimum jam 8. So before 8 p.m., please send your conversation recording to the WhatsApp group. Okay? Do you have any questions? Guys, do you have any questions? Udah belajar caranya ngerekam, udah tahu tempatnya di mana, hasil rekamannya. Jangan lagi direkam pakai HP, oke? Di situ Zoom terus ngerekamnya pakai HP. No, 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 no. Okay. So, guys, do you have any questions?
No.
No, Alvin?
No.
Kalau mau tanya-tanya aja. Alvin masih bingung tuh. Oh, no. Tapi masih garuk-garuk kepala. What's the question, Alvin? You can ask in Indonesian. Mau tanya apa? Alvin, ada yang mau ditanyain? Beneran enggak?
Yes. Enggak.
Enggak ada. Okay. Bintang, do you have any questions?
No.
No, okay then. I'll let you do your conversation to record your conversation and then send the recording later. Okay? So remember the due time is before is 8 p.m. Dikirimnya jangan pas jam 8, nggak bakalan nyampe jam 8 kalau begitu jam 8 baru ngirim file. Ngirimnya 10 menit atau 5 menit sebelum jam 8. Kan ada waktu loading soal. Okay? So thank you so much for joining today's session, everybody. I'll be waiting for your conversation. Bye-bye.